Omega Men's Mechanical Pocket Watch De Ville. Made in Switzerland. Rare vintage, men's pocket mechanical Omega De Ville watch is a vintage wristwatch manufactured by Omega circa 1962. The gold-plated, elegant men's watch with 3 hands is made in an elegant classic style. It is a hand-wound watch with a gold-colored dial and indices. Movement. Omega Caliber 601 is a hand-wound mechanical caliber, one of Omega's most reliable movements. Second hand, off-center, which is characteristic of the Caliber 601. This Omega De Ville pocket watch can be purchased from the watchlegend.com website.